Welcome to WhatTest, a website for new researchers who would like help analysing their data. Here we are at the main page of the WhatTest site. Along the left-hand side are a set of tools that lead you through the steps of any statistical analysis. Let's read how it works. The first step in any analysis is to understand your dataset, your research question, and the design of your study. The first three tools on the left lead you through these important preliminary steps. Let's look at the first of these, understanding your dataset. On this page, there is a document that explains how to describe your dataset in terms of the vocabulary you need for choosing a test. As you go through this document, you should fill in the dataset summary with the information about your dataset. You can get access to the dataset summary through the following link. The next step is to refine your research question. Once again, there is a document that helps you refine your research question in a way that can be answered through statistical analysis. The final thing you need to understand about your study to choose an appropriate test is your design. This is covered in the third link on the left. These first three documents will have helped you identify the characteristics of the data and study that you will need to carry on with your analysis, and you should have recorded them in the dataset summary. Once you've filled in the dataset summary, you're ready to begin your statistical analysis. This starts with exploratory data analysis, also known as descriptive statistics. By clicking on the link, you will be taken to an interactive flowchart, which will help you determine the appropriate exploratory methods for your data. This flowchart asks several questions and has explanatory links you can click if you are not sure how to answer them. For example, if in this first question you're unsure what a predictor variable is, you can click on the following link for more information. By clicking through the links, eventually you will get to a resource on how to carry out the recommended exploratory techniques. Now let's go back to our overview. We can see the third step is to deal with any data issues that we may have identified during exploratory data analysis. These may include issues such as missing or unreliable data. If we click on the fifth link, we get a document that discusses data issues and how to resolve them. Now we are ready for the final step of our analysis, which are hypothesis testing and other formal inference procedures such as regression. You can get guidance for this through the final link on the left, Statistical Flowchart. This is similar to the exploratory flowchart in that it asks questions, gives support to help you answer them, and results in a recommendation of a test and a document explaining how to carry it out. This is the main way the site is intended to be used, but if we go back to the home page, we can see other ways to explore the resources on the site without going through this whole process. The glossary gives a list of terms used on the site with links to documents that explain them further and put them into context. The test page lists all of the tests that arise on the site and gives direct links to information on how to carry them out. The videos page gives video examples of how to carry out certain analysis techniques in R and SPSS. The links page gives a set of links to other statistical resources online that you might find useful. Finally, the contact link gives information on how to contact the WhatTest team and how to cite this resource in your work. This wraps up our video tour. If you want to see an example of how to use the site, click on the demonstration video link on the home page.